Welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead, your go-to spot for all things gardening, DIY, and sustainable living. If you're looking to transform your garden with eco-friendly and budget-friendly ideas, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you 40 spectacular ways to use recycled pallets in your garden, turning them into functional and stylish pieces. These ideas are perfect for any skill level,
and I'll be walking you through tips and tricks to help you get started. Ready to get started? Let's dive in.
First up, the vertical herb garden. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs right from your own garden, all while saving space. By attaching pallets to a wall and filling the slots with soil, you can easily cultivate herbs like basil, thyme, and parsley, all in a compact space. This is especially useful for small gardens or urban spaces where horizontal space is limited.
You can use recycled containers to create a drip system for automatic watering, making it even easier to maintain. This project not only helps you grow your own food, but it's also an eco-friendly way to recycle pallets and give them new life. Number 2, pallet planters. Have you ever wanted raised beds but didn't want to spend a lot? Repurposing pallets as planters gives you the perfect solution. Pallet planters are great for vegetables, flowers, or even succulents, and they add a rustic charm to any garden. Consider lining the inside of the pallet with landscape fabric to keep the soil in and prevent weeds from growing. Plus, with a little creativity, you can paint or stain your pallet to match your garden's aesthetic. This simple transformation is one of the most versatile pallet projects for any garden. Coming in at number 3, the pallet garden bench. With a few basic tools and materials, you can create a comfortable seating area in your garden. Imagine relaxing after a long day surrounded by your plants. Not only will this provide a perfect spot to unwind, but it's also a great way to repurpose old pallets. Add cushions or pillows to make it more comfortable, or paint the bench to suit your garden's color scheme. This project is perfect for anyone looking to add a functional, cozy feature to their outdoor space. Fourth, the flower tower. Stack and secure pallets vertically, fill them with soil, and plant a variety of flowers to create a beautiful cascading effect. This idea is perfect for small spaces, and it's sure to make a statement in any garden. Try using flowers with different colors and textures, such as petunias, marigolds, or trailing ivy. A flower tower not only saves space, but also brings height and dimension to your garden, drawing the eye upward and creating a stunning visual display. Number 5, the pallet garden gate. Turn a simple pallet into a rustic garden gate. Not only does it add a lot of character, but it also helps to define the entrance to your garden. You can customize your gate to fit the style of your garden. Add a coat of paint or decorate it with climbing vines, such as jasmine or morning glories. A pallet gate also makes an excellent project for beginners, as it requires minimal tools but delivers maximum curb appeal. 6th, the compost bin. If you're looking to compost your organic waste, why not use pallets? They're the perfect material for building a simple, functional compost bin that will help you recycle and reduce waste. Simply arrange 4 pallets in a square, secure them together with screws, and leave an opening at the front for easy access. The best part is that you can fill the compost bin with food scraps, yard waste, and other organic material, which will turn into rich, nutrient-dense compost for your garden. Number 7, the garden shelf. Mount a pallet horizontally to your fence or wall to create a space for your pots, tools, or even decorative items. It's an easy way to organize and add a touch of creativity to your garden. By securing pallets at different heights, you can create a tiered shelving system that provides ample space for storing plants, gardening supplies, or even outdoor decor. 8th, the pallet swing. With a little cushion and some DIY effort, you can create a cozy swing that's perfect for relaxing in your garden. It's a great way to add a playful touch to your outdoor space. You can mount the swing from a sturdy tree or a custom-built frame and add some comfy cushions to make it extra inviting. This project brings comfort and fun to your garden, and it's sure to be a hit with family and friends. Number 9, the garden pathway. Lay down pallets side by side to create a rustic, charming path that leads through your garden. It's practical, eco-friendly, and adds a lot of character. You can add moss or ground cover plants between the slats to help soften the edges, or even create a stepping stone effect with smaller, spaced-out pallets. This simple yet stylish path will guide visitors through your garden and provide a solid, sustainable surface to walk on. And number 10, the pallet trellis. By leaning a pallet against a wall or fence, you can create a support for your climbing plants like beans or cucumbers. It's a simple yet effective way to maximize space in your garden. You can further personalize your trellis by adding decorative elements such as fairy lights or wind chimes to create a whimsical atmosphere. Number 11, the raised bed garden. If you've ever wanted to grow your own vegetables but are limited by soil quality or space, this is the perfect project. By repurposing pallets, you can create raised beds that provide your plants with good drainage and easy access for maintenance. Simply lay the pallets flat, stack them, and secure them with screws. Add your favorite soil mix and you're ready to plant. Raised beds also heat up quicker in the spring, giving your plants an early start in the season. Number 12, the pallet bird feeder. Invite nature into your garden by creating a simple bird feeder from a pallet. Attach a small tray at the bottom of the pallet slats and fill it with seeds. You can also hang small jars of bird feed on the sides or use a mesh bag to create a feeding station. This project not only attracts beautiful birds to your garden, but also promotes biodiversity and helps support local wildlife. The pallet plant rack. If you're a plant lover, you know that space is often at a premium. This pallet project allows you to create a multi-tiered rack that holds several plants in one vertical space. You can place the rack next to a sunny wall or hang it from a garden fence to maximize your growing area. Plus, using a pallet helps create a rustic, natural aesthetic in your garden or balcony. 14th, the garden storage unit. If you're tired of clutter in your garden, a pallet storage unit could be the perfect solution. Use a pallet to create a small shed or storage space for gardening tools, pots, and other supplies. Mount it on the wall for extra storage or add wheels for easy mobility. The open design allows for airflow, keeping your tools dry and accessible. 15th, the barbecue table. Turn a pallet into a stylish and functional table for your outdoor barbecues. This can be as simple as stacking a few pallets and adding a large surface, or you can create a full outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill. It's a great way to repurpose pallets for entertaining, and with a little sanding and staining, you'll have a beautiful addition to your backyard. 16th, the pallet hanging shelf. This project adds a unique element to your garden or home. You can suspend a pallet from the ceiling and use it as a decorative shelf to display plants, fairy lights, or other items. It's an easy way to repurpose pallets for vertical storage while adding a rustic charm to your outdoor or indoor space. 17th, the pallet garden ladder. A vertical garden ladder is a great way to add height and dimension to your garden while providing space for more plants. Lean the pallet against a wall or fence and use it to hang potted plants or climbing vines. This is a fantastic DIY project for those looking to utilize vertical gardening space. 18th, the potting table. A potting table is a must-have for any gardener, and pallets are perfect for creating one on a budget. Simply attach a pallet horizontally at a comfortable height, add a sturdy surface, and you've got a workspace to repot plants or organize your gardening supplies. You can also add shelves underneath to store your tools, making it a functional and efficient addition to your garden. 19th, the pallet privacy screen. For those of us who value privacy in the garden, a pallet privacy screen is an easy and stylish way to create a secluded space. Stack and secure pallets vertically to form a natural screen, or add climbing plants like ivy or morning glories for extra beauty. This project will give you a peaceful retreat in your garden, away from prying eyes. 20th, the pallet garden shed. If you need extra storage space for tools or gardening supplies, building a small shed out of pallets is an affordable solution. Secure the pallets together to create walls, then add a simple roof and door. You can also paint or stain the shed to match your garden's aesthetic. This DIY project is both practical and cost-effective, and it's perfect for keeping your tools organized and safe. Number 21 is the pallet coffee table. Bring rustic charm to your outdoor living area by building a coffee table from pallets. You can leave it as is for a more rustic look or paint it to match your decor. Add a glass top for a sleek finished look, or leave it open for a more casual feel. This project is simple and functional, making it a great addition to your patio or backyard. Our number 22 is the Palette Water Garden. Bring tranquility to your garden with a palette water feature. Use the palette as a base to create a small pond or fountain. You can line the inside with waterproof material and add aquatic plants or fish. A water garden adds an element of calm and serenity to your outdoor space and is a perfect DIY project for those who love nature. On to our 23rd, the Palette Garden Cart. A garden cart made from pallets is perfect for moving plants, soil, or gardening tools around your yard. You can add wheels for mobility and even customize the size to fit your needs. It's a practical project that will save you time and energy, and it's an excellent way to repurpose pallets. 24th, the Walkway. A pallet walkway is a stylish way to guide guests into your garden or backyard. Lay the pallets side by side and secure them with landscaping nails or screws. You can fill the gaps between the pallets with gravel, moss, or ground cover plants, creating a beautiful and eco-friendly pathway. Number 25 is the flower trellis. Use a pallet as a support for climbing flowers like sweet peas or clematis. This project is a great way to add height and interest to your garden, especially if you have limited space. Secure the pallet against a fence or wall and let the flowers grow upwards, creating a beautiful living screen. Now on to our 26th, the pallet fence. Need to define your garden's boundaries or add a bit of privacy? Repurpose pallets to build a simple fence. Stack them vertically or horizontally and secure them with nails or screws. You can leave the fence as is for a rustic look, or paint it to match the colors of your garden. For added flair, consider using the space between the slats for climbing plants like honeysuckle or jasmine to create a green, living fence that blooms with beauty. 27th is the pallet tool bench. Every gardener needs a place to organize their tools. A pallet tool bench is a fantastic way to keep your garden supplies tidy and easily accessible. Attach a pallet horizontally to a sturdy surface and add shelves, hooks, or pegboards to hold your tools. You can even build drawers to store small items like gardening gloves, seeds, and fertilizers. 28 is the pallet wine rack. A pallet wine rack is a stylish and functional way to store your wine bottles. Repurpose a pallet by securing it vertically on the wall and adding horizontal slats for the bottles. You can make it even more decorative by staining the wood, adding decorative brackets, or including a small space for glasses. This DIY project is perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen or outdoor entertaining area. Number 29 is the herb drying rack. Drying your own herbs is an incredibly satisfying part of gardening, and with a pallet herb drying rack, you can do it easily. Simply hang the pallet horizontally and string twine or wire across the slats to create drying lines for your herbs. This rack is perfect for drying basil, thyme, oregano, and other herbs that you'll use throughout the year. It's a wonderful way to preserve your harvest and keep your kitchen stocked with fresh flavors. In the 30th spot is the photo frame. Add a personal touch to your garden with a pallet photo frame. Use a small section of pallet wood to create a rustic, charming frame for your favorite garden photos, family pictures, or art. You can leave the wood natural for a weathered look or paint it to complement your decor. This is a simple, creative project that will give your outdoor space or home a personalized touch. Number 31 is the pallet garden counter. Whether you're prepping vegetables, potting plants, or organizing gardening tools, a pallet garden counter will make your gardening tasks much easier. Simply mount a pallet horizontally on a sturdy surface or on a set of legs to create a worktop. Add a few hooks or shelves below to store small items. It's the perfect DIY solution for any gardener who loves to be organized. Our 32 on the list is the garden sign. Want to add a whimsical touch to your garden? A pallet garden sign is a fun and easy project. Use a pallet to create a personalized sign with your garden's name or a fun quote. You can add paint, stencils, or even carve into the wood for a custom look. It's a great way to welcome guests to your garden or to mark off your vegetable or flower beds. Number 33 is the multi-tiered plant display. Take advantage of vertical space with a pallet plant display. Stack several pallets, securing them in place, and use the open spaces between the slats to display plants. This mold-tiered arrangement is perfect for small spaces, like balconies or patios, and it gives you extra room to grow your favorite flowers, herbs, or vegetables. At 34 is the boat planter. Turn your palette into a charming boat-shaped planter. This project adds a nautical flair to your garden, and it's an excellent way to showcase flowering plants or even herbs. You can line the inside of the boat with a plastic liner to hold the soil and plants, ensuring everything stays in place. Place it in a sunny corner of your garden or on your porch for a whimsical, coastal-inspired look. Number 35 is the shoe rack. Organize your outdoor shoes or gardening boots with a simple pallet shoe rack. Simply stack a few pallets horizontally, secure them together, and use the spaces between the slats to create shoe storage. This is an excellent way to keep your outdoor area tidy and your shoes easily accessible. 36th is the outdoor table. Need an extra table for your garden? Repurpose a pallet into a functional outdoor table. You can keep it simple or add extra touches like a glass top or decorative accents. This table is perfect for enjoying outdoor meals, gardening projects, or afternoon tea. Plus, it's a great way to add some rustic charm to your patio or garden. Number 37 is the outdoor bar. If you love entertaining, this pallet outdoor bar is perfect for you. Build a simple bar by stacking and securing a few pallets, then add shelves or a countertop. Customize it by adding stools, a canopy, or even lighting for evening gatherings. This project is sure to be the center of attention at your next backyard party. Number 38 is the vertical garden shelf. Create more planting space with vertical garden shelves made from pallets. Stack pallets or mount them on a wall, then add soil or planting containers for an organized display. This project is especially useful for gardeners with limited ground space or those who want to add height and texture to their garden. Our 39th is the garden tool holder. Keep your gardening tools neatly stored and easily accessible with a pallet tool holder. Attach a pallet vertically to a fence or wall and use the slats to hold your tools. You can add hooks or small containers for smaller items like gloves or twine, ensuring that everything has a designated spot. And finally, number 40, the raised herb garden. Use pallets to create a raised garden specifically for your herbs. The raised design makes it easy to harvest, water, and maintain your herbs while also keeping them off the ground and away from pests. This project works great for herbs like mint, basil, and rosemary, and it's a wonderful way to keep fresh ingredients close at hand for cooking. We've covered 40 incredible ways to repurpose pallets in your garden, but now it's your turn. Which of these projects are you most excited to try? Or maybe you've got a pallet project of your own to share? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas and see how you're transforming your garden. Thank you for joining us today. If you found some inspiration for your own garden, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and DIY ideas from Buckeye Bloomstead. Your support helps our community grow, and we can't wait to see what you create.